Hey Igor, Akram here from ClickFunnels Tech Support. So what I understand is this is your website, and what you want to do is you want to set up a funnel, but you don't want this domain that you have um, to not be working right. So and you don't want your website to be down. So what I noticed is this website is not on ClickFunnels. Prior, I thought you were referring to it as on ClickFunnels, but this is not on ClickFunnels, and that's why when you added the page um, to when you added this domain into your account and then you put it onto your funnel, that's why it didn't this went down, because that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to get your domain in and have this work for you. So if you want to have this your domain to still work on this website, okay, and then you want to use your funnels as well, um, you need a subdomain, okay. So you need a subdomain to have that. So what you first need to do is you need to take the this domain off. You delete this one from ClickFunnels, and then because the thing is you can't have one domain to point to target.clickfunnels.com and then still have that domain to point to another website that's outside ClickFunnels. So take this off. That's the first thing. Second thing is to add your subdomain. One of the reasons why I'm asking for your DNS records is because we currently don't have an article for HostGator, which is why I sent you the Cloudflare article. So send me your DNS records for the subdomain that you're trying to add, so that I can help you with that. But like I said, you need to delete this domain because you can't have it pointing to ClickFunnels and then to your website. Okay, another thing is you need to remove the domain from the funnel that you put in. So let's say that this was the funnel that you attached that domain to. So you need to go to settings and then remove it from this funnel. I'm going to attach an article that will show you how to do this, okay? Then you scroll down, click on save and update settings. So you remove the domain from the funnel before you actually take it off. Another thing I want you to know is when you want to have your domain in ClickFunnels, even if you add your subdomain, let's say this is the subdomain you added, this will still have, you will still need to have a path. Okay, the path is this thing that's here. Of course, you can rename this to, anything you want, but you definitely need to have a path. The path is what you see after this here. This is what makes every page and every funnel unique in this in ClickFunnels. So you definitely need a path for every funnel, page, and funnel. Okay, so I hope this answered your questions. Number one, you need to find a subdomain. You need to remove this domain. You need to remove it from the funnels that you've put on. You need to also, you can also send me. These are all suggestions. You can also send me the subdomain DNS records so that I can assist you with adding that into our account, into our platform. Okay, that's all for now. Have a nice day.